Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present FeatureFence, an open source tool that helps developers ensure code quality, catch compatibility issues early, and stay aligned with modern web standards. Think of it as your smart playground for linting and baseline compliance. Developers often face the same headache: code that works locally but fails in production, hidden compatibility issues across browsers, and countless hours spent debugging. Traditional linting doesn't always catch these baseline gaps. The solution: that's where FeatureFence comes in. We built a developer playground that not only lint checks your code but also evaluates it against web baseline standards, giving instant feedback before those issues ever reach production. Tech stack: FetchFence is powered by Node.js and Express. With ESLint at its core, we use custom baseline rules, host documents and demos via GitHub pages, and run our live backend securely with Nginx and Let's Encrypt certificates. How it works? The workflow is simple. Developers paste or upload code into the playground. The backend analyzes it using ESLint with baseline rules, then sends back clear, actionable feedback, all in real time. Impact and benefits: it has the faster development, more reliable code, cross-browser compatibility, open source community. Our roadmap includes adding more baseline rule sets, polishing the UI, and releasing a VS Code plugin. Looking further, we see AI-driven auto fixes to not only to detect issues but also suggest solutions instantly. Thank you for watching. You can try FeatureFence right now at baseline.adminuser.com and explore the code on GitHub. We are excited to see how this helps developers everywhere build better future-ready applications. Move on to the testing.html. This is actually available for the judging period. So this is the project access. This is the one URL. Project access, it can be either you can click here or this one, and this is the GitHub repository. If you click here, the GitHub repository will show. These are the folders under FeatureFence. Docs for GitHub presentation. The separate link also given that I will show you. And this is the one for FeatureFence for demo. And this is a packages SLint plugin FeatureFence. This is a plugin SLint is created here, and this is a playground server, and this is a playground web, and this is a test. Move on to the testing.html. This is actually available for the judging period. So this is the project access. This is the one URL. I'm just clicking here there, and I'm just selecting JavaScript, and this is the one URL API, and this API link selected. I'm just clicking the run. You can see the expected result. It shows 0 error, warnings 1 code. I'm just clicking here there, and I'm just a good code of JavaScript. I'm just selected JavaScript and the API, the same API. I'm just clicking run, and it shows actually good result. It's a good code of JavaScript, HTML code, simple HTML code. I just selected the HTML. I'm just run it. It shows the 0 error, and language HTML is not supported this server. HTML code, simple HTML code, the HTML code with the good good code. This is a good code. I'm just running that, and it shows 0 error with good result. The HTML code with the good this is the HTML code, and it shows the one with the 0 warnings. This is the HTML curl. It shows this is the HTML code, and it is true. I'm just checking my API. It is in baseline.adminuser.com API status. It is showing true. Uptime is here, and this is the expected result. OK, true. Name FeatureFence, API time. This is the expected result from the API. This is JavaScript code. It is showing error free, and we will see. Using this SLint, I'm checking the JavaScript with error right now. It will show with error. GitHub presentation. You can find all the details of the project here, and you can, when I click this getting started, you can this how to install and how to configure SLint test flat config and SLint classic config. Set your targets, and these are the examples and how to uninstall it. So installation and install steps are here. You have the examples. Example, it shows API possible output and the CSS code possible output. These are the examples clearly written here. GitHub presentation. You can find all the details of the project here, and you can, when I click this, hi, welcome to the demonstration of FeatureFence. Now we will look into the first this VS Code. You can see here a small test.js. It has two underlines, yellow color. You can click here, you can see view transaction API may not be widely supported baseline check failed. That is S-linked FeatureFence, no unsupported features. Okay. And second line, you will see this is a CSS code and it has the error. So pseudo class may not be widely supported baseline check failed. So S-line FeatureFence, no unsupported features. In this way, this S-line FeatureFence is useful to identify the errors. Hi, welcome to the demonstration of FeatureFence. Now we will look into the first this VS Code. You can see here a small and one fourth one is FAQ, frequently asked question. Here is written here. So that's all the presentation. Thank you.